Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Oleksandra Tomashevska and I'm a professional tax advisor. Today we're going to talk about tax inspection. So how tax inspection is auditing Ukrainian companies or Ukrainian taxpayers. For example, how does this auditing system look like? So, first of all, I can say that there were a lot of different bad things about Ukrainian tax auditing. There were the stories, the horrors that Ukrainian tax inspection can take all your goods and all your equipment and just close your business and you'll be poor forever. So I can say that it's not true, and we have the tax code, we have the law. According to this law, all these procedures are absolutely in the law schedule. It's not like old times. Yes, we can say that law works in Ukraine. Which is very important. First of all, how tax inspection pick up the taxpayers, or what the criteria are, what they use to analyze what you do and how much taxes can you pay. First of all, you send reports, so you have official information to tax inspection, what kind of income you have, how many employees you have, how much salary do you pay them, and all these many things, including the VAT report, which is very transparent, and it's a big report with all the VAT transactions with the data, with the goods, with all details about that. And we can say that tax inspection use this data and analyze all it together. It analyze in a different ways. For example, you have too many different business activities, which is weird, probably, and one important criteria is your business is growing and growing and growing, so you're gonna get rich. And I don't know if it's fair or not, but tax inspection pay attention to your success, so we can say. And yes, they analyze how much taxes do you pay according to your income and comparing to your income, and not only your income, but also how much taxes do you pay according to other your competitive. So, for example, you have a transportation business. You transport goods, right? So you have the transport, you have your cars and other business activities. So they will compare your business with other companies' businesses and compare all the tax payments. So did they pay more than you? And if they do, so probably they do okay, but you not pay enough. And also one more criteria is if your business is big, if it's growing, but you are not profitable enough, so you have losses, not profits. Sometimes it happens, but the idea of tax inspection that's probably not correct result, right? So they can pay attention to this, and only this reason can force them to visit you with a tax audit. Well, so you have to understand that they already have a lot of information about your business. They already probably have your things that they will calculate as a fine, or so they already know what to find, right? And if not, they have some risk management, so they consider you as a risk taxpayer that probably they will find something. and not something, because it's a group of people, it's a group of auditors, and they will work for unless 10 days reviewing your documents. So the rule is there are two types of auditing, of tax auditing. First, it's scheduled audit and unscheduled tax audit. Unscheduled, okay, you can't be prepared for unscheduled tax auditing, but there is also always a reason. For example, you use cash registers, and the tax inspector who visits your company, it's all about tax. It's all about cash registering, and all about how you work with cash. So it's not about all your business, only about this point of your business. This about unscheduled, and it's always random, it's always unexpected, because if you know about this inspection, you will fix some things. But if it is a scheduled tax audit, that's different. You will get there will be several tax auditors, and they will be invited to your company, and they will inform you 10 days before the audit start. So what else? There are several specialists. They are responsible for every different tax. For example, VAT tax could be one or two inspectors. Corporate tax, of course, it's a main inspector. It's like the chief of this group. And also cash registering. Okay, there is cash register inspector and all these cash transactions. And if you have more, for example, you have foreign contracts, activities, this type of activities, there will be another auditor to review all this documents. So he's a professional in these operations. Well, I have to say that our tax audit is always resultative. So we can say that always some results, and usually it's not for your profit, not for your success, but for their success. So tax auditing is always successful in some weird reason. They can't spend so much time, like several weeks, working with your documents and find nothing. That's not really possible. Of course, you can. What can you do? You can, for example, make the video recording of all these tax auditing process, all days, all time when they work with your documents. You can do video recording or photo recording as well, because if they do something like not good thing, okay, you will prove it by this recording, right? So you have the right to explain all your business transaction, to add the documents, to show more than only documents, to prove that your business is absolutely legal and everything is very clear. And if not, of course you can go to the court if you're not agree with the results. But as I said, sometimes tax inspectors, they already have information that you disobey some rules, and they already they are sure that they find something. They will find. So don't be scared of tax auditing. It's all very organized process. That's all according to the law, according to tax code. And if you need help, you can ask us for help. Of course, we're good consultants. So see you soon. Thank you for watching. That was Oleksandra Tomashevska. Goodbye.